Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to another video. The insider hints at likely Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 launch timeline. In a recent day, there has been some conflicting report about when Samsung will announce the foldable Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3. But now Ice Universe has provided a clear picture of the situation. The tipster, who has provided accurate detail about Samsung products and launch in the past, believes it might not be until summer, more correctly July, that we see the highly anticipated Fold 3 and Z Flip 3. The timeline line up perfectly with another reputable report. Ross Youngs of display chain consultant said recently that Fold display shipment for Samsung next generation of device are on track to start in May. Samsung could kick off mass production of the Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 around the same time in the lead up to the launch in either June or July, per the timeline provided by Ross Young. If brand chooses to start shipment to customer by the end of June, the next expected Unpacked event may well take place in mid-June. Otherwise, an announcement in the second half of the month or even July is more likely. Notable, Samsung has never held an Unpacked event in June or July, but doing so in 2020 would be far from surprising. After all, the company has already started switching up its launch schedule. The S21, for example, arrived a whole month earlier than usual, and considering the next generation of Galaxy Z Fold would have been expected to debut in earlier August and any other year, and unveiling in June or July for Maker for 2021 makes sense. So the question arises, what will be the Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 will offer? Well, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 do eventually hit shelves, and they won't be cheap. The current gen device retail at $2,000 and $1,200 respectively, and similar prices are expected for 2021 model. The good news is that more affordable foldable models are confirmed to be on its way, and although exactly how much cheaper they will be and when they will be launched remains to be seen. Back to the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3, the latest rumors point towards the presence of Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 in both, and this chipset is faster on the market for Android phones and is already used inside the S21. We do not know much about what else the Z Flip 3 is going to include, but the Z Fold 3 might offer 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage as standard. In addition to 6.2-inch external display, the more important internal display is said to be marginally smaller of 7.55 inches, down from 7.59 inches on the Galaxy Z Fold 2. The good news is that this ear panel is likely going to support the S Pen for the first time. Samsung is expected to kill the Galaxy Note series this summer, and Z Fold line could act as its replacement, at least in the premium smartphone segment, by offering a built-in stylus. To ensure the stylus doesn't damage the fragile display, Samsung is expected to use the second generation of its ultra-thin glass technology. Next comes the camera department. Well, the camera department has never been a focus with the foldable, and that should still be true in the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and also Z Flip 3. The latter may borrow its entire camera setup from Galaxy S21, which offers a 12 megapixel main sensor, 12 megapixel ultra wide coupled with a 64 megapixel 3x hybrid zoom camera. The Z Fold 3, on the other hand, might use a less impressive variant of the S21 Ultra camera setup. As far as the selfie camera, rumors have been that Samsung could use under-display tech on the foldable 3 to create an even more impressive viewing experience. So guys, I honestly think that the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 are going to be cheaper devices, and there are going to be some improvement in terms of foldable devices in the upcoming days. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think about both the devices launch date, and what are your opinion in the comment section below? And if you are new here on the channel, do consider subscribing it for daily tech video. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.